Menterang ba kajala Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma uloong badang bon belai ki brio ki ba artatian ban siam ya kenjek ida COVID-19 hado mentah. Uloong ba kadai nakadaw ka jingsim sting ba imat tang dala dep ya ka enjek baningkong kisngau ba labiang. Da ka ba kentu ya ki brio banwan sakmat ban siam ya ka jing ai enjek ka ba ar uloong ba kadon karukam perkhat ki brio hakikatu ka ni ki benta ki ba kikiar ban siam ya ka enjek ida COVID-19 bat ka kadaw kolong ba ka ba pan pensungtu ya ki brio.
Not that they're hesitant. I would not say that all of them are not hesitant. Are hesitant. What we presume that there could be some hesitancy in some of them, but looks like it's more of complacency that they are seeing that the numbers are going down, and the fact that they feel that they've taken one shot and they should be okay. So therefore, obviously, we want to, and we've been appealing continuously. The health department is very much aware of this, and they have been continuously appealing. And I also would like to appeal to everybody that please finish your 2 doses, because that's the prescribed norm by the experts, and everybody has taken 2 doses, and it's only when the 2 doses are coming that the effectiveness of the vaccine is much higher. So yes, we appeal to all citizens who have not taken the second dose that they should do it at the earliest. The problem, again, as we have said, is that the hesitancy does come from the people, and we can't force them. We have been trying our best to convince people, but certain sections have got a lot of hesitancy in them, and that is the challenge that we're facing. But if you would look at the general trend, district wise and city and urban area wise, you will see areas are 100%, 90%, 80% vaccinated, and suddenly you'd see a drop to 20%, 25% in certain areas. So clearly, it is because of the mindset that is there in certain parts or villages or districts, which is leading to this. It's not because of non-availability or not because of the different kind of work that is being done by the health department. The department is working overtime, but it's because of the hesitancy, and we are trying to convince and appeal to people, but there are challenges. But I hope that people will see through all of this and come forward and vaccinate. I was very happy that even during the election time, when the polling took place, there were a lot of people who actually got vaccinated during the polling. So the health department had even opened up vaccination points in the polling stations, and through that I'm told close to 600 people got vaccinated in the polling stations on the polling day.